Hello everyone, Abhijit from Fivetran CTO office here with a quick demo of how you can integrate Triage with Claude, allowing you to chat with your enterprise data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to search across your institutional knowledge directly from Claude. Before we get started, make sure that you have a Claude account with administrative permissions to set up connectors, and also make sure you have a Triage account. If you're wondering how to sign up for Triage and get your Triage system set up, check out our Getting Started tutorials at triage.fivetran.com/learn. To get started, let's go to our admin settings in Claude, navigate to the Connectors tab, and then click on Add Custom Connector. Now let's switch to the Triage dashboard and get our MCP server URL. In Triage, I already have my knowledge sources set up, which include internal documentation and the help desk of a fictional company. And I also have my knowledge base set up, which groups these knowledge sources together. To connect this knowledge base to Claude, I will get the MCP server's details and paste it into Claude. Once you've added in the URL and also entered an appropriate name for your connector, click on Add. Once the connector is added, you will now need to enable the connector by connecting to it from your personal settings. In the Connectors tab under Personal Settings, locate the connector that you just added and click on Connect. You will see that my connector is now enabled and I can go into it and I can see my available knowledge sources. And that's it. You now have your knowledge bases connected to Claude with just a few clicks. You can now start chatting with this data. To demonstrate the connector in action, I'm going to ask Claude about a technical issue one of my customers is facing with their fictional product. Before I hit send, I'm going to ensure that the connector I just added is actually enabled for this chat. And it looks like Claude was able to successfully come up with a suggested set of next steps that I can provide to my customer. And it was able to source this information from my internal articles from Google Drive that are connected to Claude. This is the product documentation for the Mega Laser that contains troubleshooting guides. So this is the most relevant document to my question. Very similarly, it looks like Claude was also able to locate an internal help desk ticket or relevant to the question I asked. So Claude was able to do an in-depth search across all the connected internal systems using the Triage connector and come back with the most relevant and most useful information. If you or your support team would find these connectors useful, sign up for triage.fivetran.com today